I'm iced inside because of the snowstorm, so what better way to hang out with you guys than to open some blind boxes together? Start off with the Yulu Paradise. I've never opened this before, so this is exciting. Look how cute the options are. Elephant, kitten, or the squirrely. Oh. Oh my gosh, the tail is so cute with this series. Wow, and the pink hair. Stunning. Little kitten. I'm hoping that this one is the elephant or the purple little squirrely. Feel the tail. Who is this? Oh my gosh! We're so lucky. This is the other one that I wanted. Smart squirrel. This baby 3, I don't know what it's supposed to say. We've got all these options. Look how cutie. I think I really want the pink bunny or this. Wow, who is this? Oh my gosh, we've got a rare face. Yay. Are these pattern eyes? Yep, pattern bow eyes with the bow on her. She's a cutie. Lila's Garden Tea Party mini version. Kiwi monkey. Elephant is so cute. Dragon. Who is it? Whoa. It's the kiwi monkey? Yes! The kiwi monkey. Another one, so let's see what we get now. Who do we have? Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. Juice Bunny. It's so cutie patootie. This baby 3 series, it's like the tea bag series. Love, love, love. I do already have the little pink girly pop, so I'm hoping for this one or one of the white ones. That's big. Ooh, it smells delicious. Who do we have? Wow, one of the white ones. These are Sunny Dolls, by the way. That's the type. Baby 3 Sunny Dolls. So good. This baby 3 series, absolutely so cute. I need this one. Need, please. Or this one. Or this one. I already have the calico one and this one, so just no duplicates, please. Who is it? Yay, we got the yellow one. Just so adorable. So this is a little puppy. You get puppies or cats. This is the first puppy we get, actually. And it comes with a collar, and just the details are so cute. Lurv. Ooh, this smells like lemons. These are all of our new friends. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and I hope that you are safe out there in this winter storm. I love you so much.